Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove, reduce white point to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility shortcut. From here, we scroll down and then tap on reduce white point. Tap on that to deselect or select an item. When you select reduce white point, it will get added to the accessibility shortcut menu. Now if I triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3, then that will open up the menu, and here you can see it has add reduce white point to the menu. If I deselect that, that will get removed from the menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.